Hello there, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you a very basic beginner's Python code I wrote. So in this video, I'll walk you through my thought process. I tell you which function I use and why I'm using it. If you're new to programming, to Python programming, I think you will enjoy this video.
Your assignment is to write a program that generates band name. Follow the guidelines below. Number 1. Create a greeting for your program. Number 2. Ask the user for the city that they grew up in.
Okay.
Number 3. Ask the user for the name of a pet. Number 4. Combine the name of their city and pet and show them their band name. Number 5. Make sure the input cursor shows on a new line.
All right, let's do this. Okay. All right, so today's assignment says to write a code that generates band name based on two inputs. So I'm going to ask the user to put the name of the city they grew up in and the name of a pet, and then I'm going to combine those two names to, come up with a band name. All right, so the first thing is to create a greeting for my program. So we're going to use a print function. So print, I'm typing in the wrong space. All right, so print, and we're going to say welcome to the band name generator. All right, so that's the first thing that will show once I run my program, telling the person welcome to the band name generator. Then the next thing is to ask the user for the city they grew up in. All right, so we're going to use input function because I want to grab the user's input. They are going to type in their response. So enter the name of the city I really don't know why this stuff is shown on my screen. Enter the name of the city you grew up in. Once I'm done typing and hit enter, it disappears. Okay, and then I'm going to put another input because I also want them to enter the name of a pet. All right, so number 4 says combine the name of their city and pet and show them their band name. So now I'm going to print and tell them, hello, the name of your band could be. Okay, so I need to tell them that the name of their band could be, and then I will grab the name of the city they typed in and the name of the pet. So I'm going to concatenate this by using a plus sign. So right now I need to assign these two inputs to variables. So I need to call this thing something. So let's call it city equal. So when they type in their response, that response is going to be called city. And then for the second one, we're just going to call it pet. So whatever it's a type in, we're going to call that into our print function. So the name of your band could be city plus pet. Okay, so since all these are strings, it should print. There is something missing, but I'm going to run this program first to show you guys what is missing. So let's go ahead and run this sucker. Run. Yeah, welcome to the band name generator. Enter the name of the city you grew up in. Okay, remember number 5 says make sure the input cursor shows on a new line, but on this my program the cursor shows on the same line. So I need this cursor here to be shown up at the bottom. So what I need to do is go back to my input. So inside my quotation, I'm going to use backward slash and n, like new line. Okay, so let me run this program again. So I'll stop it. And let's clear my console and let's run. See, now my cursor is shown up at the bottom. Okay, again, let me clear this and stop my program. Let me fix the other one too. So backward slash n, create a new line for the input. And then there's also another thing missing, which you haven't seen. So when I concatenate this phrase plus the city plus the pet, it will combine these two names without space. So I have the option of making the city and the pet name one word, or I can put a space between them. So I'm going to put a space between them. So I'm going to say plus, and then this is where I want to put it. So I'm going to put quote, and then within this quote, I'm going to put a space. Okay, so my end result is going to say the name of your band could be, and then it will list the city, and then there will be a space, and then there will be the pet name. Let's see if I'm right. So let's run this sucker one more time. Okay, welcome to the band name generator. Enter the name of the city you grew up in. So let's type Abani. Abani is the name of a road and not really a city, but hey, Abani. Enter. Enter the name of a pet. So growing up, my pet's name was Bingo. So I'm going to type Bingo. Enter. And it says the name of your band could be Abani Bingo. I think that's an awesome band name. What do you think? All right, so let's run this program again and use different names. All right, so enter the name of the city you grew up in. Okay, let's say I grew up in Houston. Fine. So I grew up in Houston, Texas, but I'm just going to type Houston. Enter the name of a pet. Okay, so a really popular name for pet is Chase. So Chase. All right. So the name of your band could be Houston Chase. Nice. All right. So we got this assignment done. I will be posting a new assignment/challenge, and I'll walk you through how I write them. With time, I'm going to be posting more complicated programs. All right. So thanks for watching.